Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here is my next unboxing. Yes, it's the same box because it's from the same company. So I got a new bag this time. This is their Maestra mini bag. As you can see from my last video, very similar. I did open this earlier because I couldn't wait. So it comes with just a little card here, just a little message from the owner and how they sorted. Again, just receipts, just some paper. It actually came with a paper bag, very nice. And some more tissue, and ta-da! So let me just set aside the box. Comes with this very nice dust bag. Know that this is actually from their Revival collection. I believe it just means that it's been pre-loved, so it's slightly used, but in almost perfect condition. And I paid $300 less, as if it was brand new. This color is the same color as the Aria belt bag that I had purchased yesterday. It's called the Dolce Butterscotch. And what I love about this bag, it turns into 3 different ways. The opening is very similar. I think they're all the same anyways, but as you can see, there's still the sticker there. So it's fairly brand new. The lining inside is a nice suede gray-like color. And it's in gold hardware. You see there's also a pocket in the back. And once you take this off, there's no return on this actually, because it's not brand new. However, I did check it, and it's in excellent condition. It's got this little strap, and again, I'll do a separate video for more shots so that you guys can see it on me. Just wanted to kind of show you a quick unboxing and what it came with. I will open the bag. Just take all these paper. It's fairly big. I wanted to use this for our next trip, but as you can imagine, everything is canceled right now. No one's allowed to leave, and we're still under home isolation. There's a zipper inside. It's working condition, perfect. And you got like a small tablet. You can also put it here. And I'll get the measuring tape so that you guys know how big this is for your reference. And it's in inches. It's about 8.5 in length. The height is about 8 inches. And then the out. It's about 5.5 inches. So that's it for my quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.